Good morning and welcome to Critical Area Measurement and Data on page 457, 457. Plants all around. We're going to read a story and questions about plants and determine measurements on them. So on page 458, 458, it says, 2 leaves fall from a tree. Circle the leaf that is longer. And when we talk about length and what is longer and shorter, we start on the same side and then we go out and see which one goes longer, or if we're talking about shorter, which one is shorter. So these leaves both start their stems in the same spot, and then we travel out with them. And we see that this leaf stops right here, but this one continues to go out further. So the longer leaf is this top one. So we're going to circle that top leaf. Very good. Now on each page, there's also a science question that would be fun for you to talk about and answer with your family. Why do plants have leaves? Why do plants have leaves? Moving on to page 459, 459. We're looking at this picture and it says, 2 flowers grow near a wall. Circle the flower that is shorter. And when we're talking height, we're going to start on the ground at the same place and then we're going to go up. Now in this case, it wants which flower is shorter. So we look at the orange flower, and the orange flower keeps growing all the way up here, but there's no yellow flower up here. Then we look at the yellow flower and we start in the same spot and we go up, but the yellow flower stops where the orange still has stem. So the yellow must be shorter. So we're going to go ahead and circle the yellow flower. Good job. On this page, the science question is, why do plants have flowers? Why do they have flowers? Let's go ahead and turn to page 460, 460. And we're looking at this picture. It says, these carrots grow under the ground. Circle the carrot that is longer. So these carrots grow under the ground. Circle the carrot that is longer. So we're doing height again, but in this case, we're talking about going under the ground. So we're going to start at the ground. Both carrots start at the ground, and we're going to go under and see this carrot ends here, but this one keeps going further. So which carrot is longer? Good job. We're going to circle this carrot because it's longer. Excellent. And the science question on this page says, why do plants have roots? Why do they have roots? Moving on to page 461, 461. Cattails can be short or tall, and that's what these are. They're called cattails. They usually grow near water. So cattails can be short or tall. Circle the 2 cattails that are about the same height. So we're doing height again. They need to start in the same spot on the ground, and then we go up. So if we're going to look at this one first, we go up, and then we draw a line across to see which one's about the same height, and we find this one's about the same height. So we can circle this cattail and this cattail. These 2 are much taller, but they're not even the same length as each other. So these 2 are the ones that are about the same height. So we circled these 2. On this page, it says, for science, why do plants have stems? So why do plants have stems? Good question. Why do they have stems? And while you're thinking, we're going to turn to the next page, 462, 462. And it says, one leaf is shorter than the other leaf. Draw a leaf that is about the same length as the shorter leaf. So we're looking at length. So we're going to start in the same spot with their stems, and we're going to go across and find which one is the shorter one. So this one, and if we draw a line down, you see there's no leaf here. So this must be the shorter one right here. This one is the shorter one. So we're going to start a stem here, and we're going to draw a leaf about the same length as this one. So if you can grab your pencils, and you're gonna go ahead and draw a leaf that starts here with the stem, and then about the same length as that one. And we draw the veins of our leaf. That's what those are called in the middle, veins of the leaf. Excellent. Now the science on this page says, how are all these plants the same? I hope you had fun with math today. Take care.